Now I will demonstrate the second workflow, a standard website using the hosting dashboard. Return to the business hosting plan and click Add Website. Depending on the current interface, Hostinger may offer WordPress, Website Builder, an empty PHP or HTML website, a web app, or another supported setup. Choose Website Builder if you want to build a website using Hostinger tools. Choose WordPress if you want WordPress workflow. Choose an empty PHP or HTML website if you want a clean hosting environment for file manager, public HTML, FTP, databases, and manual uploads. I will use a temporary domain, so this demonstration does not affect a real website. Hostinger will now prepare the hosting environment. Once setup is complete, return to websites. This new site should show Manage or Dashboard instead of Edit Website.